So this is the problem. As you can see over here, the mouse is working perfectly. But the left button is not responding to the click. I know you cannot see it, but I am unable to click using the left button. So, now let's jump into the solution for it. First, click on the Windows button on the keyboard. Then, type settings and hit enter. The settings application will open. Then simply type mouse settings and then using the arrow keys go down this list and on selecting the mouse settings, hit enter. The mouse settings will open. Now, again using the up and down arrow keys, select the primary button right. Now close it using Alt plus F4. So, now you can use the right button in place of the left one. You can open other applications too using the left button. That's cool. You can even select using the right button. But wait a while, what about the right button's work? Do not worry. Just open the settings once again. Click on Windows button and type settings. Then hit enter. On opening settings, go to the ease of access center of mouse. Then, just turn the sticky keys on using the right button. And your work is done. The right click has now been shifted to the numpad 5 key of your keyboard. Before using it, just make sure that the numlock is switched to on. So now, your numpad 5 key is right button and right button is your left button. Just remember, it is only in case of emergency. As you can see, it works.